how to fix can't connect to this network error in Windows 11. So in order to solve this problem, the first solution is to restart your computer. And after you start the computer, go to Network and Connections, open up the control panel. From there, select your Wi-Fi and disconnect your Wi-Fi at first. Or you can simply go to the Wi-Fi section, and from here forget the network and re-enter your password and connect it once again. Now the next solution is to update your Wi-Fi drivers. So go to Device Manager, expand the network adapters, and from here select your Wi-Fi drivers and update both of your drivers automatically. So if you have downloaded Wi-Fi drivers manually, you can simply go to your drivers and update the driver and select Browse My Computer for drivers. And from here you can simply select the latest version of the drivers that you have downloaded for your Wi-Fi adapters and install it. And after this, go to Settings, go to Windows Update and make sure that your Windows 11 is up to date. And if you have updates available for Windows, simply tap on Download and Install. Or you can simply go to Troubleshoot Settings and troubleshoot your network and internet, run the troubleshooter, and you will be able to fix your problem. So these are some of the fixes for can't connect to this network error in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.